This is a bumblebees caught in a spider webs. I just saw the spider a while ago coming up to it. By the time I go and get the camera and come back, the spider disappeared. But the spider was right behind him. I'm trying to see if the spider literally on him. Yes, you can see the spider. I'm trying to pick up. The spider is right on his back. My fans, I can't get it, but the spider is right on his back. I saw it before I went to get the camera. The spider is right on his back. You can see the spider, just a little part of his back. So what happened, the spider set his web and is caught in the spider web. So now the spider is having him for a meal. Sorry, the spider is so small. It's amazing how this little spider manage to have this big something for a meal. This spider, I'm trying to really get the spider, but the spider is so small I can't pick him up. But he's handy the back of the bees. He's literally on the back of the bees. Oh man, it's so small I can't get it. I can't focus. But the spider is literally on the back of the bees. So as I said, it's a bumblebees. The spider set his web and the bees get caught in it, and the spider is having him for a meal right now. So yes my friends, so this is this history. I've never seen this before. I see spider webs, but I've never actually seen them caught anything before. But this is it. A bumblebees caught up in a spider web. This fly, he just sit on the window ledge here, so I don't know why is he sit here and not moving. He is a big fly. Is he dead? I don't know. But he just sit here. I can manage to video him this close. Look at that. He just literally sit there. And he's alive, you know. See there? He's alive. Look how close I can pick him up. See there? He's moving. I thought he dead. He's a big fly. And he just sit on the window ledge. He's gone. Look at my strawberry. Although they, whatever it is, eat after leave them. But the strawberry, them really is coming nice. Look. Lovely strawberry. Lovely strawberry. So although something eat after leave them off of them. But there's some nice strawberry still there. I don't know what feed and they leave them this year, but it's the first time that my strawberry leaf them ever eat off like this. don't know what feed on them, but look at the leaf them. The leaf them gone. But the strawberry really bare. Really bare. They're really bare. Look at them. Some lovely strawberry on them. Lovely strawberry on them. But as I said, look at the leaf them. There's no leaf on them. You leave them gone. Beautiful flowers. Look at that. They're coming out really nice. Do you know what this plant called? Joseph coat of many color. I just love plants. I just love plants, my friends. I just love plants. These supposed to be runner bean, and they're putting on blossom. They're blossoming. Lovely blossom on them. So these are red peas. Red peas coming up nicely. Nice little patch of red peas. These are my pumpkin. They don't start to run as yet. These are my pumpkin and my tomato. So the pumpkin don't start to run as yet. 3 nice shoots of pumpkin here. So they're gonna be run all the way down to the end of the garden. Give me some lovely pumpkin. So follow me on the channel, my fans, and see when I'm picking pumpkin. Here I have beetroot. Some lovely beetroot coming up here. Yeah, there's our beetroot. Nice beetroot coming up. Nice beetroot. This pumpkin here is ready to start run now. You can see it's shooting out itself like it's ready to start run off. Yeah, so pumpkin will be coming from the other end, and pumpkin will be coming from this end. And wherever they meet up together, look down there. So down the bottom there, there is pumpkin coming from down there. And then up this side, there will be pumpkin coming from this side as well. And they will be meeting up in the middle. Yeah. If you follow me on the channel, my fans, you will see. Look at these roses. They're coming out nicely. Yeah. Hear the rain, my fans. I'm outside underneath the roof now. Yeah. Hear the rain on top of the roof. Shower of rain coming down. You hear the water falling on top of the roof. So I am gonna go into my liquor summer house now. Yeah. Oh, hear the hailstone. My friend, hear that? Hailstone. Hailstone, my friend, hear that? They're blazing down, my friend. This is the type of weather that we get in. Hailstone coming down. Yes, my fans, this is the type of weather that we're getting right now. Today, Monday. Some heavy hailstone. My fans, listen to this, you know. Listen to this, my fans. Listen to this. Weather. We're getting hailstone. We're getting rain. This Monday. My friend, this is what the weather is like today. Today is no good weather. Today is bad weather. Yes, my friend. So as I said, today we're getting some hailstone and some rain. I don't know what the rest of the day gonna be like, but follow me. Boom. Follow me, my friends. Follow me. Wet and rainy day in the UK. I know they said it was gonna rain today, but I never expect hailstone. Yes, my fans, so as I always said, this is my little camp out, and here I am sitting down here today. Outside is pouring down with rain, but this is my hideout. So when I want a little peace and quiet, this is where I come and just chill. Yeah. So, as I say, this is my camp. I do some of my video inside here. Some of them I do down at the house. But don't forget to like, share, comments, and subscribe to my channel. If it's the first time on this channel, my fans, thank you for tuning in to this channel. Be a part of the family. Subscribe to the channel, my fans. Share it. Tell other people about it. And also, my fans, remember, go over to Drive Bunny UK. That is only driving video on that channel. Subscribe to the channel. Like and share. Tell someone to tell someone about this channel and also Drive Bunny UK. So, I'm just giving you, my fans, a little bit of my hideout. So this is a shed that I use as my little chilling spot. I want a little peace and quiet. I just come in here, just sit down, have a relax, probably can have a sleep, I read, whatever I want. I can play some music, over there I can watch a gospel DVD over there. Yeah, all of that. I can watch a gospel DVD over there. Inside here, I can play tape. I have lots of tape here. I can play tape. Or I can just come in here and just chill out. I can do some work in here. There's a lot to do in my little shed, my fans. You know, I can come in here. I don't know. I probably have some other plan in here, my fans. But follow me on the channel, my fans. Like, share, comments, and subscribe to the channel. It is your boy Bunny. Peace and love. So yeah, so this is what it look like. This is what it look like, you know. So as I said, This is just my little hideout spot. Let me just come and chill out. Yeah, I just come and chill out. Yeah. But my fans, listen outside. Listen outside, my fans. Listen. Wow, look up there. My fans, look up there. Can you believe it? Can you believe it, my fans? Whoa. Listen. My fans, listen. Hailstone flicking down. My fans, can you believe it? Hailstone flicking down. Yes, my fans, as I said, this is in the UK, and this is what happened in the day here. Hailstone falling down. But you know what? I have the privilege to stay out and record this. Look at the grass. I have the privilege to catch this from outside. Because what? I have this beautiful place out here that I can stay under and catch this event. Yeah, man. Follow me, my friends. My fans, I don't know what's going on today, but we're getting a lot of hailstone coming down in the garden. Lot of hailstone coming down today in the garden. So I'm just giving you a little view of what's going on. I am out in the garden, and all I am getting is just literally hailstone. You just light up the barbecue and they cook pan them that I have here, you know. I have this tire to cut as well, and I have 4 tires in the garage to cut for a friend into flower spot. But I would like, when I'm cutting these tires, to do them on the camera. So I'll probably wait until my friend comes. While I'm cutting them for him, he can hold the camera. Because when I'm cutting them and I hold the camera myself, I'm not getting the good view. Yes, my fans. Do you remember E&D Garden Clearance? That was my business for 12 years. But it's all gone now. This is not a advert. This is just telling you about the business when it was running, you know. But I'd keep my sign, because I probably use it something someday, I don't know, but I just use it to back up that place, you know. Yeah, man. The weather. So as I say, my fans, remember to like and share, comment and subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna go back inside. The weather is not nice outside, I can't do nothing in the garden, so I'm gonna go back inside. Or I'll probably come into my shed and just chill out for a bit. So catch you on the next video, my fans. Love you all. It's your boy Bunny. I'm in and I'm out. Peace and love. God bless.